Today, we're talking about an important topic, common cryptocurrency scams and how to avoid them. Cryptocurrency is exciting, but it's also a space where scammers thrive. Let's go over some of the most common scams and how you can stay safe. First, phishing scams. These are fake emails, websites, or messages that look legitimate but are designed to steal your private information. Always double-check URLs and never share your private keys or passwords. Next, Ponzi schemes. These scams promise high returns with little risk. Early investors are paid with the money from new investors, but eventually the scheme collapses. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Then there are fake exchanges and wallets. Scammers create websites or apps that look like legitimate exchanges or wallets to trick you into depositing your cryptocurrency. Always use well-known and trusted platforms. Social engineering scams are also common. Scammers impersonate reputable figures or customer service agents to gain your trust and access to your funds. Verify identities through official channels before sharing any information. Another scam is pump and dump schemes. Scammers hype up a coin to drive up its price, then sell off their holdings at the peak, leaving other investors with losses. Be wary of sudden spikes in price and do your own research. To avoid these scams, follow these tips. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Keep your private keys and seed phrases secure and never share them. Research projects and exchanges thoroughly before investing. Stay informed about the latest scams and tactics used by scammers. To sum up, being cautious and informed is your best defense against cryptocurrency scams. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and follow.